In front of me is TCL 40R, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on this button with a microphone to start. To pause it or unpause it, use the same one. To delete your recording right away, click on bin icon on the left, and to end it and save it, on check mark on the right. Then name your recording and hit save. To play it, click on it. To start a new recording, use the same button. And to manage this one, just hold it and use all of the available options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!